Hello, welcome back. N times n times n plus n equal to 30. How do we find the value of n? Without further delay, let's begin. Solution. We have n times n plus n equal to 30. N times n is simply n to the power of 3 plus n equals to 30. The first step we are going to take is to transfer this guy to the left side. Doing that, we're going to have n to the power of 3 plus n minus 30 equal to 0. N to the power of 3 plus n minus, we can rewrite 30 as 27 plus 3 equal to 0. This implies that n to the power of 3 plus n minus times 27 is simply minus 27. Minus times 3 is simply negative 3 equal to 0. N to the power of 3 plus n minus, we can write 27 as 3 to the power of 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Now, let us combine the common terms. This and this look alike, so we're going to have n to the power of 3 minus 3 to the power of 3 plus this guy, n and minus 3 equal to 0. You will observe that we can isolate these guys. It does not affect anything. At this stage, it is very good to recall the difference of 2 cube. It says a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 is simply the same thing as a minus b times a to the power of 2 plus ab plus b to the power of 2. Take note of this property. We will now apply this property to this guy. By comparing this left hand side with this, you will observe that our a is n and our b is 3. That means from here, we're going to have, what is a? A is n minus, what is b? B is 3 times, what is a? A is n, so that will be n to the power of 2 plus ab, that is n times 3, which is 3n, plus what is b? B is 3. 3 to the power of 2 is what? That is simply 9, plus this guy, n minus 3 equal to 0. Do you notice something? We have n minus 3 here. We also have n minus 3 here. We can pull it out. So that gives n minus 3 into this guy, n to the power of 2 plus 3n plus 9 plus 1 equals to 0. So we have n minus 3 times n to the power of 2 plus 3n. 9 plus 1 is simply 10 equal to 0. This implies that n minus 3 is equals to 0, or n to the power of 2 minus plus 3n plus 10 equals to 0. Clearly from this guy, n is equals to 3. This is the real solution. We can solve this quadratic equation using quadratic formula. So doing that, our a is equals to 1, and our b is equals to 3, and c is equals to 10. What does the quadratic formula says? It says n is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b to the power of 2 minus 4ac all over 2a. N is equals to, since we already have the values for a, b, and c, we can just plug it here. We have minus, what is b? B is 3. 3 plus or minus square root of, what is b? B is 3. 3 squared, that is simply 9 minus 4 times, what is a? A is 1. What is c? C is 10. All over 2 times 1. So this gives n equals to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 minus 4 times 1 times 10, that is 40, over 2 times 1, that is 2. So we have n equals to minus 3 plus or minus 9 minus 40, that is negative 31. So we have square root of negative 31 all over 2. N is equals to minus 3 plus or minus, we can write this guy as square root of negative 1 times square root of 31 all over 2. So n is equals to minus 3 plus or minus square root of negative 1 from the complex number is I times square root of 31 over 2. This is another solution. So therefore, n1 is equals to 3, which is the real solution that we obtain. N2 is equals to, from this guy, our N2 is minus 3 plus I times square root of 31 over 2. N3 is equals to minus 3 minus I times square root of 31 over 2. This is the required solution. That's it. Thanks for watching.